welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're going to be looking at the huge clearance section that they have. Flex is moving in and everything's clear and clearance out. You guys will see on this. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so, subscribing and hitting the like. Alright, to start here we got the Pro Summer Savings. You got impact driver or drill driver kit for 99 bucks. Dewalt. This is the lower grade, so $99, pretty much budget deal there. $3.99 for the miter saw. That kit, 40 piece, flex torque. It does include some 2-inch bits, some sockets as you guys see there, and some nut drivers. $24.98 to 40 piece. Ready. It says impact ready bit set. And here's another on a black and gold, $24.98. It is a 21 piece. So you guys see there. And this is something new that I've never seen before. $44.98 for, it looks like it's a T-Stack compatible. You got some 2-inch bits there, some 3-inch bits, and some two TikTok little cases filled with bits, and some drill bits there. $44.98. And then you got the recip saw, $129 Dewalt. And then you got this yeah, this one's a great deal, guys. TikTok case, 2-inch bits, nut driver, magnetic sleeve, $6.24. Guys, go get them. These are cheap. These are dirt cheap, basically. I didn't pick them up because I already have too many of these. Not this specifically, but I got other ones already that I picked up. I picked up 2 of the other ones that I found for $7. Guys, these are so cheap. You know, they were regular price $24, and now they got back in stock the 4 amp hour starter kit for $99. I know we missed out on the free tool deal, but hopefully they'll bring that back. 25 piece set there for $10.98. That's still a great deal, but the other one for $6, let me tell you, that is a really good deal. Here's a huge clearance section, guys, at this store, because Flex is moving in and they're moving all these tools out so they can put all those tools back in there, those Flex tools. $29.97 for a sander there, and then you got a Jigsaw for $29.97. Then you got the Circ saw for $29.97 for porter cable. All these porter cables are being clearanced out. Make sure you guys check it out. If you're in the line, make sure you guys pick all these up before they go away, because somebody's gonna pick them up. Guys, look at this, $149 for the backpack with the 2 kit storage, 2 kit combo from 12 volt from Dewalt. It does include 2 batteries, a charger, and the backpack. You got the one-handed reciprocating saw. You got a drill. And guys, these, unfortunately, these were not on clearance. I would have picked them up in a heartbeat. But those are the tools that are going into the shelves, replacing all these tools that you guys are seeing here. And we're gonna go over the second part later on this video. $14.98 for the 100 piece drill bit set. Definitely check it out. It includes all those little hard to find security bits. I think that's a great deal on that. $19.98 for the titanium 21 piece. Then $19.98 for this Cobalt XTR bits. $19.98 for those. Those are really nice. I really like them. Hopefully they'll drop them in price. I would like to see those in price. And there's that 100 piece kit there again, $19.98 for that 40 piece. There's a compressor, $179. I believe that's the Quiet series. $139 for the standard. I believe that's a 3-gallon compressor. And $65 for a tank, a Cobalt tank. 3-gallon air compressor, $139 as it says right there. Cobalt, that's the standard. And that is the Quiet compressor, 2-gallon, $179. And then you got the hacksaw, $11.98. The 15-inch. You guys see that's the hacksaw. $6.98 for the high visibility utility knife. $14.98 for the utility knife blades. That's a 75 piece from Craftsman, made in the USA according to the package. $9.98 for the premium grain leather work gloves. $14.98 for the 15-piece ratcheting screwdriver set. It's a nice screwdriver set if you don't have any tools. Perfect $19.98 for that hole saw kit, Craftsman. So it's for the doors. So you guys would put the doors holes. And $14.98 for the Easy Grip 25 feet tape measure, 2-pack. And then you got the Dewalt Kits. This is an awesome deal, guys. $2.79 for 2 impact drivers, a charger, and a battery. So definitely check it out. $2.99 for this impact driver, drill driver, and the oscillating tool, 2 batteries, a charger, and a bag. $3.49 for this 4-tool combo kit. Impact driver, light, drill driver, compact reciprocating saw. $1.79 for 2 4 amp hours, 2 amp hours. Definitely check them out. And that's the way it looks. It's at the front of the store. You guys will see it when you guys first walk in. $24.98 for the Flex Torque 40-piece impact driving set. So you guys see there is 40-piece. I really like the Flex Torque. It does include those sockets. $49.98 for the 2-piece 12-inch blade combo. This used to be $39.98 at the Christmas deals. $399 for the 12-inch double bevel miter saw, sliding miter saw. Then they got the table saw here. I believe it's the job site. The 8 1/4. Then they got the vacuum here, $99. It's a 9-gallon, 5 horsepower. You got the neck light, $19.98. I've seen a lot of mechanics use this light. Not this one, but something similar to this. I would think it's really handy. Instead of wearing it in your head, you can wear it like that. If it's rechargeable, I didn't take the time to look at it because I had so much to cover today. $11.98 for the chalk, the Lufkin chalk measure thing. $29.98 for the 25-piece shockwave or shock force tape measure with the knife. So as you guys see there. $19.98 for the 2-pack folding Hawbill knives, folding knives. That's something different. $24.98 for the rocker knee pads from Tough Built. That's a good brand. So you guys see there. And then you got the Bora. $69.98 for the Speed Horse Bora brand. $69.98 for the clamp. Same company, Bora. And then they got these back. These are back, guys. I don't know what happened to them, but they're back. $3.99 for the 5-tool combo kit, 24 Volmax brushless, Cobalt XTR with the rolling toolbox. So you guys see there, reciprocating saw, hammer, drill, impact driver, light, and a circ saw. $9.98 for the 2-piece demolition screwdriver set. Then $10.98 for the 19-in-1 ratcheting. As there to the right, ratcheting with bits. $19.98 for the 25 feet compact wide blade magnetic. Then you got the Jorgensen $9.98 for the saws, drywall saw. You got some clamps there, $19.98. If you guys don't know, this company bought, if you guys didn't check out my video, but that company actually bought Shopvac, the name brand Shopvac. They bought the company. If you guys haven't watched that video, make sure you guys watch that video. Then you got this deal here. It's like a storage with 2 tools. $2.49. A 2-tool combo with bonus storage bin, like a case. Not like a case, but like a cabinet, basically. That's a really nice cabinet. $49.98 for the 63-piece Versastack Mechanics Toolkit. That's it right there. It was really nice. $19.98 for the 24-piece 1/4-inch drive Nano SAE. $19.98 for the 44-piece ratcheting screwdriver set. That's a really nice screwdriver set there. $4.98 for the 2-piece bimetal screwdriver set. Those are the pliers right there. The locking pliers. $17.98. Those are screwdriver. $89.98 for the 105-piece gunmetal chrome mechanics tool set. They're at the bottom. It's a really nice. And you got some $8.98 for the pliers, random, they're just regular pliers, and some screwdrivers there with the bits. So $8.98 for all those. Then $119 for the mechanics set there at the bottom. $49.98 for the 20-piece ratcheting wrench set. That's a really nice wrench set there. I like the case, everything. $19.98 30-piece combination wrench set. $19.98, nice. And they got $24.98 for the handle hex key set. That's a really nice case there. 14 piece. They got 1998 for the 4-way ball and hex keys, millimeter and SAE. So they got blue and red. 34.98 64 mechanics tool set. 34.98. That's a good price with the case. That's a basic kit there. 1998 for the 20-piece screwdriver set. It does include those precision screwdrivers and a bottle opener. Those precision screwdrivers are at the bottom there. 5.98 12-inch tote. It's like a tool bag basically. I don't know why they call it a tote. 4.98 for the bottle opener. 7.98 for the screwdriver with bits, I guess. Then you got a utility knife there at the end. Then you got this impact driver, drill driver. These are brushed starter DIY units. $99 for two. Definitely check it out. $249 for this huge combo kit. Reciprocating saw, circular saw, flashlight, impact driver, drill driver for $249 was $299. You got this drill driver, $59. I believe it's is it a brush? No, it's not a brushless. It's a brushed. Yeah, this is just a regular DIY tool. Same thing with this one. This one's a brushed. The older impact driver, $59. New lower price was $79, so definitely check it out. $9.98. This is a Bosch 10-piece T-Shank assorted jigsaw blade. I do have this kit. Works really nice. Definitely pick it up if you have a jigsaw. You got a reciprocating saw. Blades, $9.98. Then you get some Linux. $19.98. When I found these, I don't know if these are clearance or not. I just found them sitting randomly. So if you guys want to check out at your Lowe's or maybe even that Cobalt I saw it there. So I don't know if these are on clearance or not. They were just laying there. $9.98 for the 14-piece black and gold drill bit sets. That's a really nice set there. Well, actually, you know what? That I believe that's on the wrong side. That's on the wrong side. Because I thought it was the black and gold 14-piece, but that's titanium. I don't know. Check it out, guys, because if it's titanium, if it's $9.98, that is a deal, guys. That is a deal for titanium bits. Alright, let's continue with this clearance cart. $19.15 for the charger. Porta cable, $61 for the bandsaw bare tool. Like I said, these tools are heading out. $82 and compact corded reciprocating saw. $67 for the Bosch 6-amp jigsaw kit. You got some more stuff down here. Let me just go over one by one. Excuse my camera operating skills. That's the way it looks from the store. Usually this cart will be filled with tools like it is here. And you guys have to go today, because if you guys wait, $50 was $99 for the impact driver, 12 volts. And then this one's $50. It's a Bosch 12 volt lithium impact driver with green light. And then you got the Bosch drill driver for $63. 12 volts, chuck settings, LED lights, the 20-in-1. Then you got the hammer drill, brushless 3-amp hour and 5-amp hour, $57. So definitely check it out. There's a lot of great deals. I think that's the best deal of all of them. The drill driver and hacksaw with the 2 batteries in a bag. $59 for the Skill 15-amp 7.25 circ saw. You got a light there. I'm trying to figure out what the price is, but they have $41 there. I don't know if that's the real price. $71 for the pedal grinder from Bosch, 4.5. Then you got the circ saw, $52, 85 cents, Craftsman. Bunch of deals there. You got the flex there. That's the end cap. $249 impact driver, drill driver. Those are the basic tools. Those are not the higher end. That's the basic tools, $199. Basic impact driver, basic drill driver. And then you got the basic kit here with the reciprocating saw for $399. I think that's a good deal. Personally, I like the top of the line tools better, but you know, if that's a good deal for you, you guys can pick it up. $6 for the bit holder, drywall. I don't know what the abbreviation it was there for the $14.98 for the 4-piece double-ended screw extractor set. That's a nice extractor set. Do apologize for not showing it, but oh, and guys, that's where the metabo moved by the circular saws and the reciprocating saws. So they're in this aisle now, and that's who took their place, the flex. So you got the flex with the quick eject top of the line impact driver. So you guys saw in my video. If you guys want to see versus videos with other tools, make sure you guys check out my channel. I do have a lot of videos on these tools. I did pick up the impact driver and the drill driver with the 2 batteries. So make sure you guys check out my channel for those versus videos. That's the regular drill there, which is pretty powerful. If you guys look at some videos there that I have, that's the hammer drill, the turbo. And that's the way it looks. It's beside the Bosch, so they moved the Bosch and the flex together. I knew they were not gonna get rid of the Bosch. Bosch is a big company. You got the flex there right at the front, if you guys see. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. I know a long video. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. By subscribers and likes, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.